So I'm gonna make a quick video on this is a newer Toyota vehicle, and this applies to a lot of different vehicles nowadays. Basically, if you let people do things for you, they're gonna charge. If you call somebody to change your tire, they're going to charge you. If you call somebody to change your oil, they're going to charge you, obviously. But sometimes you can save a lot of money. That's why people are do-it-yourselfers nowadays. And if you do things, especially like what I'm talking about today, do a little bit of research online because all the information is available for you. The parts and the tools necessary nowadays are available to you. If you don't like to do things yourself, then by all means, just take your vehicle to a dealer for whatever you need or whatever have you. But this specifically is to the newer generation Toyota vehicles. And they have the keys. So this is the original. So you want to have a copy made. And if you call the dealership, you're talking upwards of $200 to have a key made. And me, I'm not that old, but I remember when keys used to cost a couple of dollars to have made. Now, mind you, they used to be able to steal your car with a screwdriver, so that's good. They can't steal your car with a screwdriver anymore. But, anyways, so you go online, you go on eBay, you spend $19.99 on this little programming tool to program these keys. And let me see. I'll read you the instructions real quick. So you get a key, and the key itself is $21.99. The programmer is $19.99. And then you have the key cut to the original key. That's going to cost about $4 to $10, you know. It all depends on where you live or who you know or whatever. Anyways, so you could get yourself one of these keys online. You get yourself one of these little programmers online. Have it cut at your local locksmith. I'm just going to read you real quick. We're going to have it done real quick. If I could get this focused. Not focusing very well. I'll read it to you though. It says Toyota add transponder. Get in the car and close the door. Insert the main key into the lock and turn the key on, and then insert the device into the OBD. It will sound device. It will start to add transponder. After the sound, literally it says DD, 2 to 3 minutes later, anti-theft light is on, and then remove the key, anti-theft light will flash. Insert the new key and doesn't need turn the key. Now this is, it says insert the key, new key, and doesn't need turn key. This is obviously not proper grammar. They're either translating this from Chinese or they were at your local public school. Anyways, anti-theft light will be off later. You got a switch right there. Left is to add the transponder. On the other side, that's for the remote key program. You would switch that to the right. So we're going to do it real quick. Alright, so once again it says get in the car, close the door, which the door is closed. There you go. Insert the main key into lock and turn the key on, and then insert the device into OBD. We did that. If it will sound twice, start to add the transponder. After the sound DD, 2 to 3 minutes later, anti-left Anti-theft device, anti-theft light is on, and then remove the key. Anti-theft light will flash. Insert the new key, and doesn't need turn the key. I think it means, and you don't need to turn the key, but I'm translating here. Anti-theft light will be off later. All right, so let's go ahead and test it. There you go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.